So, mag-unbox na naman ako. Bigay ng heart ko. And, I don't know what is this. But, sabi niya, open ko lang daw. I will open it. And guess what? Oh my God. It's a casing. And I love it. Purple. Oh my God, heart. Thank you so much. Alam mo talaga yung taste ko. I love it, heart. So nice. Ang ganda. See? I like the color, guys. Purple talaga. Heart. Thank you so much, heart. I love it. Yes. May bagong casing na naman ako. Thank you, heart. I love it.